You know what this is? This is real rabbit fur.
Oh, I know. I can tell.
You want to touch it?
No, thank you, though.
I didn't buy it new, in case you're wondering. But
it's hard to believe someone gave that up.
When I saw this, I was like, wow! Like, I can't believe it. Who would give this up? Look at the things you can do with it.
I'm sure you can do lots of things with it.
It's so versatile.
No, that's one of those pieces, definitely, that would have like a lot of different purposes. Right, loincloth among them.
Oh, well, I hadn't thought about a loincloth, but I guess you could.
Right.
Somehow position it.
You're filming this?
Yes.
Right. You know, natural skins lend themselves to loincloths.
Right. Or I guess it could hang down. It could just hang in the front.
Right.
There you go.
Yeah.
Ah, that's much better.
Right.
Don't even tuck.
That's the way you would wear it.
Don't even tuck. Just let it flap.
Oh my God.
So, anyway, that's what's in this box.
Good. Wow. No, I like how you're.
My necessities include like a disco ball.
Right, the disco ball. Yes.
And we can't forget the power saw that's coming with me, because you never know when you're gonna do this on the road.
To change a tire.
Like, you never know, might need to know when I need to like saw something.
Yep. Yeah, I can see that.
It's all not gonna fit though. It's just not all gonna fit. I realized.
It's close.
It's close. I'm probably gonna have to get rid of one box of stuff.
Letters are missing on almost every.
Dang, I don't think it's gonna work. So the first thing that's going in is the costume box.
The unicorn costume. You gotta check out.
This is going to be this is the one non-negotiable. Everything else is negotiable.
So they're all in the same. Looking at both of them, then you'd be able to compare and contrast.
It's hot today.
But let me know if you want to. And obviously for.
And these are my winter clothes. Because I'm going to New England.
You actually need them again?
Well, they're like, winter coats.
I'm impressed.
Oh, and
Pink pants.
and these are my pajamas, which actually I don't want them in here because I'll probably wear them. I don't know what to do. It's all not going to fit. I don't feel like going through every little thing again.
Oh, it is.
That's a really tiny space. It's a really tiny space. I have a lot of stuff. Funny. Oh my god, it's like 5,000 degrees. I don't know what just happened. I just took all the stuff out of this box to transfer it into this box, and now it doesn't fit. It all fit in the other box. And I thought that I put it all back in the same way. Obviously I didn't. Oh here, I need this. Let's keep this out. My AAA. Butt magazines. What in the Sam Hill? It all fit before. Why won't it all fit now? This dang chalk.
The chalk fit in with the star projector.
You know what? I don't need it. I haven't used that thing in 10 years. I don't need it. I can buy a new one.
And the flashlight.
Put it in the glove box. Oh my god! That was an effort. Back. Oh. I could get rid of both of these boxes and it wouldn't even mean anything. It's so ridiculous. I'm so attached. Why the fuck am I so attached to everything? I'm so annoyed right now at myself. But I can't fit everything that I own into my truck.
Maybe you should have moved to Hawaii, then you wouldn't need winter clothes.
It's true, it's fucking winter clothes. This bag goes in next. Fit before. Lock them. I'm guessing I only need one of these.
No one's going to be sleeping with you in your tent.
If I'm lucky. That's a big burly man. We won't need these anyway. We only need one. I don't know.
What don't you know?
What I don't know is that there's still like there's still like a bunch of random little things like my camping pot and like that bag of books right there that has to go. Well, I guess now it's time to start in the front seat. And then at some point along the way, maybe I'll just like take it all back out. Maybe when I get to my parents' house or something, I'll take it all out and reassess. Get rid of stuff. Ta-da! It's all in. Everything I own is now in my truck, except for my bike. bags.
What about the saw for your dad?
Oh. Oh. Bag saw for my dad. I don't know. I gotta take it, I guess. I have to take it, but I don't know how I'm gonna fit it in yet. Maybe it'll ride in the front seat with me. Now I have to go get ready for a party.